There are days that are simply not okay. You get out of bed, you're on your way. This is one of those. There are cheerleaders and those who pump you up with platitudes, words that don't mean much. Not much at all. Oh my friend, I will meet you where you are. I won't throw flower petals on your wounded heart. If it's not okay, we won't pretend. But if it's not okay, it's not the end. Aren't you stronger than you ever used to be? At least that's the way it seems to me. If not to you, are you the one who's made it all?